Hey guys, so I got another video that I'm going to do, and I'm sorry I've been off for a few days. I've just been not feeling myself, like, I don't know, I've just been not feeling very good, but, look what I have. I have got these. Oh my gosh, I'm so very freaking happy. It's just, like, oh, they're so beautiful. The shade that I got is the Pick Me Up, and oh honey, I did a review on this on my TikTok. And then I got Sparks. Sparks is this lovely kind of olive shade, and I think it does well with my skin tone as I am a little bit warm tone, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my foundation on it, all that stuff. I'll be right back, and then I'll tell you guys all the prices and all the stuff that's been going on with it. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am back. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the Jaclynhill bronzer, which is pink. I thought it was Pick Me Up. Pink Me Up. And then oh honey. So we're gonna start off with that. And for the bronzer, I'm going to be using the E54 brush. I'm just gonna dip right into there. Now these are very lighter shades. I absolutely love them though. I think they're very beautiful. See, look how pretty that looks on the skin. I'm taking it a little bit higher because I don't want it very low. I'm taking it more high. I think it looks gorgeous. I'm going to be doing my nose contour as well, which I did not do on TikTok. Taking a JH42 brush, I'm just going to be lining that on my nose and on my chin. And it does come with a huge mirror. These also cost, I totally forgot to mention, these also cost a good $36 for each. That's how much I paid. With shipping, I think it was like $9 or $8, somewhere around there. But you can get these at Ulta and her website as well, which I will have both of those linked down below. Alright, I'm just going to be blending this out. Okay, since I am done with contouring, I am going to go in with the blush, the Pink Me Up, and I'm going to be using the JHX Morphe JH04 brush, and I'm just going to be dipping that right into. These are pretty pigmented, so I would not just recommend just like going super fast with them. See that? It kind of reminds me of the NARS Orgasm. Gosh, this foundation. Like, I really want to love this foundation, and I do, but oh man, I have to because of my dry, super dry skin, I have to constantly be using a scrub because I don't know what's wrong with me, honestly. Ever since I went gluten-free, my skin has just been so dry. And I have to go gluten-free because I have celiac disease, so it's like a no-go of stopping. So, there's really not much I can do. But try to get better foundations that do well with my skin. Alrighty, and I'm going to be going in with the highlighter Sparks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's like this orange, it's kind of like a yellowy color. I think it is perfect for my skin tone as it's kind of just a little bit darker. Not darker on the yellower side, I meant. And the brush that I'm going to be using, let me see if I can find it. I don't know where, oh, here it is. The brush that I'm going to be using is the JH09 brush. You can find this in Jaclyn Hill's collection at Morphe. Now I'm going to zoom you guys up in this. Now, like I said, the foundation is not killing it, so. Yes, I absolutely love this stuff. Now, I don't wear a lot of lipstick, so I don't know if I'm going to be putting that on because I have such dry lips. I am going to be putting on the Ultra Lip Therapy from First Aid Beauty. I love this stuff. I lost it. No, I found it, so. Yeah, it's all gummy right now. Yeah. I am going to go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.